Welcome back to our SQL for Testers and Developers playlist. Today we will talk about SQL Joins, which help us retrieve related data from multiple tables. In this video, we will cover inner join, fetch matching records from both tables, left join, fetch all records from the left table and matching ones from the right join, fetch all records from the right table and matching ones from the left, and full join, fetch all records from both tables. This picture will give you a visual understanding of different types of joins for two tables. Now let's practice. Please open your Workbench app. Before we start with joins, let's take a look at our updated employees table. Select star from employees. Let's create a second table, projects. You already know how to create a table, right? We need to use create table keywords. The name will be projects, and we need to provide information for this query. So first column will be project ID. The data type will be integer, and it's going to be a primary key. The second one is going to be a project name. It's going to be a varchar. 10 characters could be a limit. And the third column would be employee ID. It's going to be an integer. All right, let's close it and execute. Let's see how it looks. Select star from projects. Select and execute it. As you can see, empty table has 3 columns, no data. Now insert data into projects. You can copy this query from the description under the video, so please check it. Or you can put this video on pause and type it just for practice. Let's select it and execute. As you can see, we inserted 10 entries. Each one has the unique project ID, project name, and the employee ID assigned. Entry number 10, as you can see, it has null as employee ID, so the project exists. It has a name, but none of employees are assigned to this project. Let's see how it looks. Alright, now we have two tables. We can start practicing our joins. And we will start from inner join. So the inner join retrieves only the employees who have an assigned project. So let's type this query. Alright, let's execute this query. So only employees who have a project assigned appear in this result. Now let's do the left join. The left join returns all employees even if they don't have an assignment project. We can copy this query and update it. So project name stays the same, salary stays the same from employees at E. Instead of inner join, we will use left join. So let's select and execute it. So why are there null values? If an employee isn't assigned to any project, the project name is null. What could be the use case for this? For example, ensuring all employees are accounted for even if they are not assigned to any project. Now let's see the right join in action. So the right join returns all projects even if they don't have employees assigned. Let's type a query. Select e.name, p.project name from employees. E right join projects. P on e.id equals to p.employee underscore id. Alright, let's execute this query. Why is there a null? The employee benefits update project exists, but it has no assigned employee. So what could be the use case for this situation? Ensuring that all projects are listed even if they don't have assigned employees. Now let's use the full join. So let's copy this query and update it. Now we need to change the right join to full join projects P on EID equals to P employee ID. All right, let's try to execute it. And as you can see, it failed, and this is expected. The reason is that full outer join is supported by many database management systems like PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and others, but not supported by MySQL. However, we can achieve similar results using a combination of left join and right join along with union. Here is how we can rewrite the query to get the equivalent of a full join. And this query will also be in the description. Select e.name, p.project name from employees. E, left join, projects P on e.id equals to p.employees ID. Here we have to provide the keyword union and do the right join. Let's copy the previous query. Okay, select e name p project name from employees E, but now change left join to right join. Right join projects P on e.id equals to p employee ID. All right, and here we need to close the query by providing the semicolon. Now, please let's select all of those rows and execute them. Employees without the projects appear with a null in the project name right here, and projects without employees appear with a null in name. What could be a use case for this? It's ideal for generating comprehensive reports showing all employees and projects, even when mismatches exist. Now you understand inner join. It fetches employees with assigned projects. Left join fetches all employees even if they have no projects. Right join fetches all projects even if no employees are assigned. And full join fetches all employees and projects even if mismatches exist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. It was GNT Creator. I will see you in new videos. Bye.